Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mariana Barego by Crafty Mariana here on YouTube and on my other social media platforms. Today I want to make a dark version of this bag. First of all, I have to choose the yarn and I'm gonna dig into my stack. I have to empty this to put in new yarn that I have to work on. It's a mess down here and I don't know when I'm gonna untangle all this yarn. We have my yarn start over here. These are the colors that I'm gonna use, and I add in my support animal. That was the end of me. So my god, sorted yarn. This is my palette. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna be like rainbow themed, rainbow dark themed. When I add black, it's gonna be a dark themed bag. So we have white, we have this caterpillar green, we have yellow, orange, red, and then black. I'm starting with the sunflower. So this is me when I'm trying to work with my toddler around. Like, she wants to do everything that I am doing. I gave her her toys. We've been playing in the morning so that she doesn't feel left alone. So the moment I started doing this vlog, I know it's been like 30 minutes now, and while I was working on my messy tangled yarn, she was here. You saw her legs. I don't know if you saw her face or her body because she is topless. The heat is too much, so now I feel a little bit drained and I am a bit overwhelmed. Guys, it is much later in the day. It is actually evening. It is 5 o'clock, but I did not give up. I did not give up. This is where we are at now. This is our square, sunflower square. You can see the contrast. We're gonna go in with this red and then we're gonna do black. It's 5:10. It's 5:10. So let's see, we have 20 minutes. For 20 minutes I can actually finish one square. So let's do this. 5:29. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is a good granny square.
So
and then a bag. Yeah, it's so pretty. It is? Yeah, thank you for clapping for mommy. Ooh.
Awesome.
Thank you, mama. Do you like it?
So awesome.
It's so awesome.
That's awesome.
Oh, thank you. It's so pretty. I also like it. Hello. So it's the next. I'm in a very happy mood. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. It came out so good. I never expected like this. It's just there on your face. You can see the contrast and oh, I just love this. So this is gonna be the first panel of our next bag. It's quite big compared to the other one.
For the longest time, hiyo kulikuwa na such a big disconnect between men and women kwa sababu how exist pamoja
The bag is closed. This is where I am. The bag is closed and now I am adding a strap, a single stitch strap, and this time around I'm not gonna do a long one because this one elongates and becomes loose with time. So I'm gonna do one, even if after some time it's gonna be loose, it still be functional. So I added this green to just put everything together. Looks so pretty. I like it. I like the bag already. So the only remaining thing is to finish the strap and to line it up so that whenever I put things inside, the shape will remain and it won't expand. This is something about bags, any kind of crochet bag. If you don't line it up, when you put your things inside, the bag will distort, the shape will distort. Like, hello, and we have come to the end of the video, and here is the bag. I love the bag, and today I wanted to use it. It's actually packed. I've packed whatever I wanted to pack. I have my purse, I have my coin, a purse, and other things. My phone can fit in here. I can fit several handkerchiefs, wet wipes, and all that. But my hair, I have a headache. The heat is too much. The AC is on, the fan is on. Like, oh my god. So I'm not gonna use the bag today. I have lined it, and you can see, even with my heavy purse and a heavy coin purse, this purse is really heavy because of the coins, and the shape of my bag is not distorted at all. That is the purpose of lining up your crochet bags. We have a bright version, and this is the dark version. Thank you so much for following this video, this vlog, and until the next one, please remember to subscribe, comment what you think. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.